Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a donut meme. We'll start by exploring common themes and visual styles that make these memes so shareable. Then, you'll learn to brainstorm your own unique concept, focusing on humor or a relatable situation. Finally, we'll discuss selecting the perfect image or short video clip to bring your creative vision to life, ensuring it resonates with your audience. Now, let's focus on the visual aspect. Start with a clear, engaging image or a brief video that captures attention. Next, you'll want to add your text. Keep it short and punchy, aiming for a strong impact with just a few words. Make sure your font is easy to read and positioned strategically so it doesn't obscure key parts of your visual. This balance is crucial for a successful meme. The heart of any great meme is its humor and relatability. Think about what makes people laugh or nod in agreement. You can achieve this by using a clever pun, a universally understood joke, or by highlighting a common experience. Irony or an unexpected twist can also elevate your meme, making it more memorable and shareable across various platforms. Once your donut meme is perfected, it's time to share it with the world. Post it on platforms where it will resonate most, like social media groups or forums. Don't forget to engage with your audience by responding to comments and reactions. Pay attention to what makes your meme popular. This feedback is invaluable for inspiring your next viral creation. Happy meme making!
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.